Okay, so pretty much what I have rigged up here on a breadboard is just an HC-05 Bluetooth little dongle there that you can get for pretty cheap, as well as a 5-volt regulator. I've got them wired up so that way they're connected to essentially like a PS2 keyboard adapter. It's one of the old DIN 7-pin little plugs there, and pretty much one of these torn down. And this should allow me to connect to my Roomba via Bluetooth. So let's go plug it in and have a look. So normally you have to remove the faceplate of the Roomba, but I just took it off and cut the hole for the 7-pin DIN connector there. So let me plug it in. Now I have it plugged in, see that the Bluetooth module's power's on, saying that it's ready to connect. So I'll just grab my phone here. So I'm going to launch the Roomba app here. Where did I put it? Roomba. And then I'll connect to the HC-05 Bluetooth adapter. As you can see, the light blinks intermittently, which now means that there's a connected device. And now that I'm connected, I should be able to drive. So let's give it a try. And then you can turn it around and make it go forward, turn, backward. See if we can get so the brushes work. Can control, I guess, where you want it to go, clean up a specific mess. And I'll try docking it again. And it's finding home. And that Bluetooth module just stays running, and I'll disconnect. Disconnected, and now it's blinking again. Cool.